Hey folks, John with Baker Boy here today. Want to talk about Baker Boy dinner roll dough. We have 4 different versions I'm going to show. I had pulled these out and put them in the walk-in cooler last night, up to 12 hours covered. Today they're thawed and ready to go. Here we have the Baker Boy honey wheat roll dough, dinner roll dough. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the seasoning. A lot of people like a multi-grain seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and just make a quick seasoning to roll these in and top these with. 1 cup of dried parm, 1 cup of oats. I have a 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal, a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and then I have a 1/2 cup of flax seeds, and then about 1 ounce or so of parsley. We're going to mix these ingredients together, and this will give you a nice little multi-grain seasoning for our wheat rolls. Okay, now I've got the seasoning all mixed and ready to go. Go ahead and take the honey wheat roll dough. I like to roll that out. You want to kind of push down in the middle of the roll. Start in the center. You get kind of a little dog bone effect, and then just roll your hand back and forth and roll the dough out like that. Once you get about a 4-inch piece of dough like this, go ahead and take it and tie it in a knot. This is what I call a wheat dinner knot roll. Go ahead and roll your roll dough out. Take it like this. Go ahead and just tie it in a knot. This is another roll that really works for an upscale catering or wedding type event. I know that it's a little more work, but I'll tell you what, you will end up getting a lot more money for a roll that looks like this than you will a roll like that. I'm going to go ahead and take the egg wash. We're going to egg wash our rolls just like this. That helps keep the ingredients on there. It browns the roll really nice, and it keeps the roll nice and fresh and tasty. We'll sprinkle our toppings on like that. I'm going to go ahead, we'll put those in the proof box. For those who have proof boxes, I'm going to proof those for a 1/2 hour to 40 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and bring them out. I'll let them rest for 5 minutes or so, and then I'll pop them in the oven at 325 for 18 minutes. Okay, just pulled these out of the oven. These are our honey wheat dinner rolls. Again, I had them in the oven, 325 for 18 minutes. And again, if you have any questions on the products that we're showing and you want any answers, please contact us at bakerboy.com.